If you're looking for the best bike handlebar bags, you're in the perfect spot. Whether you need extra storage for your cycling adventures or a reliable bag to keep your essentials safe and organized, this video has you covered. We'll talk about the top features, why these products stand out, and why they should be your next cycling companion. From waterproof designs to versatile storage capacities, we've analyzed it all to bring you the ultimate guide. We've spent countless hours researching hundreds of products so you don't have to. Stick around as we unveil our picks for the top 5 bike handlebar bags on the market today. Don't forget to check the product links in the description for more details and the best deals. Let's dive in. Number 5. The USAS NEWBOLER Cycling Accessories Pouch is perfect for riders who need versatility in the compact form. Available in 3 sizes, 1.1L, 1.5L, and 2.7L, this handlebar bag offers ample storage while maintaining a lightweight design. Its nylon material ensures durability, and its CE certification guarantees quality. This bag is customizable, making it a great option for riders who want a tailored solution for their biking needs. Pros: lightweight, multiple size options, durable nylon material. Cons: lacks rainproof functionality, limited to dry weather use. Number 4. Next is the ROCKBROS Bicycle Bag Front Portable Handlebar Pannier. With a 2L capacity, this bag is a multifunctional wonder that doubles as a shoulder bag. It features a rainproof design to keep your belongings safe during wet rides, and reflective elements for added visibility. Its sleek, durable nylon construction and thoughtful design make it a strong contender. Pros: rainproof, multifunctional use, reflective for safety. Cons: limited to 2L capacity, which might be small for longer rides. Number 3. The NEWBOLER Bike Front Tube Bag combines functionality with a sleek design. This 10L waterproof bag is spacious enough for longer cycling adventures and features a rainproof nylon material for reliable protection against the elements. Its CE certification assures you of its quality and durability, making it a great investment for serious cyclists. Pros: large capacity, waterproof material, quality certification. Cons: bulky for casual rides, may feel oversized on smaller bikes. Number 2. The Rhinowalk Bicycle Handlebar Bag is a premium choice with a combined capacity of up to 12L. Its 100% waterproof polyester material ensures your items stay dry no matter the weather. The innovative design allows it to be used as a 1- or 2-piece system, making it adaptable for various needs. This is a great pick for touring cyclists who need reliable and spacious storage. Pros: high capacity, fully waterproof, modular design. Higher weight compared to smaller bags, more suited for longer trips. Number 1. Finally, the Rhinowalk Bike Handlebar Bag 2L takes the top spot. With its compact size and multifunctional design, it's perfect for day-to-day cycling. It features a durable polyester material and comes in 3 colors to match your style. This lightweight yet sturdy bag can double as a shoulder bag, adding convenience for off-bike use. Pros: stylish, lightweight, multifunctional. Cons: limited capacity, may not suit longer trips or heavy packing needs.